Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Range Rover Evoque oil service light. First, what you need to do is open the bonnet. You're going to need to turn the ignition on, open the driver's door, put your foot on the brake and the accelerator pedal, hold them for 10 seconds, then release them, turn off the ignition, and then turn the ignition back on, and the service light should have been reset. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So now our bonnet's open, turn the ignition on, open the door, press accelerator and brake together. Hold it for 10 seconds. As you can see, the service has been reset. Release the brake pedal, turn the ignition off. Start our vehicle up. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the vehicle oil service has been reset. Thank you for watching Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.